In this lecture, we will try to understand an important concept in Java programming language, that is daemon thread. What is this daemon thread? A daemon thread, let me write otherwise. A daemon thread is a thread that runs for the benefit of other threads. Benefit of other threads. Please check the meaning of benefit. Maybe please bear with this spelling. I may be wrong. Just understand the idea. Yes, daemon thread is a thread that runs for the benefit of other threads. That is first point. Daemon threads are known as service threads. I can say these threads can be treated as service threads. Daemon threads run in the background. Daemon thread runs in the background and it will come into execution when the microprocessor is idle, isn't it? When will they get executed? When microprocessor is idle. When CPU is idle. When CPU is idle, these particular threads will get executed, isn't it? The garbage collector, let me say garbage collector is a good example. Garbage collector is good example for which thread? For daemon thread. I can say garbage collector is a daemon thread. We can set a thread to be a daemon by calling a method. There is a method daemon. What is that method name? daemon, daemon true. This method is useful to set particular thread is daemon thread, isn't it? If you keep daemon false, thread is not a daemon thread. Anyway, we will try to understand that there is a method daemon which is useful to set particular thread to daemon thread. By default, let me say by default all threads are non-daemon. By default all threads are non-daemon threads. That's by default, isn't it? If you are not specifying, system will treat it as non-daemon. By default, all threads are non-daemon threads. A thread must be converted to a daemon thread explicitly, that to before start method. That is important. If you want to convert a thread into daemon thread, you must convert it before start method. There is a method known as start method. Isn't it? I will repeat. This point is important. A thread must be converted to a daemon thread explicitly, that to before start method is called on it. Before executing start method, you must convert it into daemon thread. If set to daemon after the start method, means after executing after start method, if you say set to daemon true, then what happened? An exception will be raised. Illegal thread state. An exception will be raised. What is that exception name? Illegal thread state. Illegal thread state exception. When will it be raised? When will this particular exception will be raised? When will it be raised? If you set, let me repeat, a thread must be converted to a daemon thread explicitly before start method. Otherwise, it will generate an exception known as illegal thread state exception. We will try to understand this with the help of simple program. Let me say what is this. This is simple and straightforward program. Class space class name. What is my class name? My class name is daemon demo extends thread. Of course, this is first step to create thread. This is public void run, in which I am keeping this dot get name I equal 0 to I equal 1 2 3 4. This which we learned, isn't it? How will it be? Anyway, let me go to my main method, public static void main string args daemon demo. What is my class name? Daemon demo. How can I create object? Class name space object name equal to new class name. This is my first thread d1. My second thread class name space object name equal new class name. Now I have got two threads. First thread is d1. My second thread is d2. I have a method known as set name. Observe carefully, in set name n is capital letter. d1 dot set name. What does it mean? I have two threads, d1 thread, d2 thread. For d1, I am d1 dot set name equal to daemon. What is the meaning? daemon. This is my first thread name. d2 dot set name means I can say it is not daemon. It's not daemon thread. d1 dot set name true. Yes, because of this particular method, just here I am giving names, not because of the name it will become daemon or not daemon. I discussed there is a method set daemon true. Set daemon true means that particular thread will become which thread? Daemon thread. Therefore, my d1 becomes daemon thread as we use set daemon true. Anyway, by default it is false. As daemon thread has got lowest priority. What is the priority of daemon thread? They must have lowest priority. When will they get execute? Whenever microprocessor is idle. Whenever CPU is idle, this particular thread will get execute. Garbage collector is good example for this daemon thread, isn't it? Therefore, whenever they will execute, when will they get execute? Whenever CPU is free. Therefore, in order to get execute, whenever CPU is free, then therefore you must keep lowest priority. You must give lowest priority to daemon thread so that they will execute whenever microprocessor is idle. Otherwise, they will compete with other threads. In order to avoid that, we always keep daemon threads priority is low. Therefore, I am setting d1 dot set daemon true means it's a daemon thread for which I am giving minimum priority, isn't it? Now d1 dot start, d2 dot start. Therefore, start means where will it go? It will go to run method. If you observe this output carefully, what happens? d1 d2. In d1 d2, which one is daemon thread? d1 dot set daemon true. Therefore, this is daemon thread, isn't it? Is it not daemon thread? Daemon thread. This is d2. d2 is not daemon thread, which has got lowest priority. d1 has got lowest priority. This particular thread will get execute whenever microprocessor is idle. This thread is known as service thread. This thread works for others, just like garbage collector. Whenever microprocessor is idle, that time it will get execute. Therefore, even though you write d1 dot start, first which one will get execute? d2 dot start. I equal 0. 0 less than 5, correct. I will enter inside. This means current object. Now, which one is current object? d2. What is d2's name? This dot get name. d2 name is not daemon. I am getting not daemon. I equal 0, not daemon 0. I plus plus. Now I becomes 1. 1 less than 5. This means current object d2. This dot get name not daemon 1, not daemon 2, not daemon 3. Isn't it? After not daemon 0, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? What happens? This daemon thread will get executed sometimes. d1 dot start means where will you go? d1 dot start means it will go here. I equal 0, 0 less than 4, correct. This dot get name d1 is daemon thread. Therefore, I will get daemon 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, as microprocessor switch between the threads, after some time there is daemon 4 is also there. It's 0 to 3 only to get it executed. That remaining portion will get remaining portion in the sense this one, not daemon 0, not daemon 1, 2, 3. Of course, after some time processor will switch over to the daemon thread. Now again it will come back, and execute the remaining part of not daemon. Basically, one must understand daemon thread is a thread which is known as service thread, which will get executed for other threads. Daemon thread always must have lowest priority. Non-daemon threads will get executed after some times. In processor, it will have some sort of time slice. Depending on time slice concepts, after some time it will switch over to other thread. That remaining portion of first thread, non-daemon thread, is get executed here. Just it is simple and straightforward lecture. Just go through it once. Certainly you can understand. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.